How y'all doing today? This is Live in Color here with ChefBoyAD, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to chef up a little bit some guacamole. We got some nice fresh ingredients, some not so fresh ingredients, some cheap ingredients. All came out to a little less than $10 probably.
Cha-ching!
So a nice little dish for yourself, nice little snack right here for you to feast up on. Before we start today, I'm gonna need y'all to go follow me on Instagram at LiveInColor Media, and on Twitter it's LiveInColor, ITS LiveInColor. Nice and simple. Go follow us. Make sure you hit like and comment on this video. Let us know it's good. If you have any recipes you want us to know, make sure you get it in here. Leave it in the comments, and we'll make it. We'll make it. We'll see how it works. We'll see if it tastes good. If it tastes bad, I'm gonna have to let you know and I'm gonna stay away from it. But I got y'all. Let's go through these ingredients that we have for today for this guacamole with the nice tortilla chips. So as you can see, with the nice chips that we started with, we got some lime chips. Can't go wrong with the lime chips. Always need the lime chips. Such great flavor. Goes perfect with the guacamole. Great flavors, great flavors. Now, this is a little something new. This is a blue corn tortilla chip. I thought it looked pretty cool. I wanted to pick it up. Thought it adds some color to the chips. So we'll see how that tastes. Pretty much like a normal tortilla chip, I'm assuming, but the color will be cool. Alright. So now, let's go through these ingredients real quick. What other stuff we got? And we got some fresh ingredients here today. I know you guys don't think I eat fresh, but I do. Not Subway though. We got some lime chips. We got blue corn tortilla chips. Fresh tomatoes. Fresh avocados. Refrigerator lime juice. Actually, lemon juice from the fridge. Some dried cilantro, but you can easily substitute that for some fresh cilantro. Some black peppercorns. As you guys know, I love black pepper. Some salt. The right amount of salt is necessary in your guacamole. Fresh garlic. Fresh lime. Fresh banana pepper. And you can also use a jalapeno pepper, which would add great flavor as long as you take out all the seeds. Definitely don't want any of those seeds. They're going to add too much spice into your dish. It's not what we want today. We'll save that for the buffalo chicken dip. Now let me walk you guys step by step how we are about to do this, because you know I do this. But we're going to start by slicing these avocados and breaking them in half, taking off the peels, and just grounding them up. This right here, this is the money shot. Take a picture. That's what your avocado should look like. While we're working on that, or after, because you only have 2 hands. Now after you get started with that, we're gonna dice this tomato. Probably will not end up using the whole tomato, about half the tomato. You want a good 1 to 4 tomato to avocado ratio. First we're gonna start by dicing this tomato. Just getting all of our fresh vegetables cut. Probably aren't going to use the whole tomato, maybe about half. Step 3, dice the garlic, mash it up, get it nice and fine, and add it to the guacamole. Step 4, dice the banana pepper. Now that we've got all our fresh ingredients added to the bowl, it's time to go crazy with some seasonings. We're going nice and simple here, but crazy with them. We got salt, black pepper, some fresh lime, which is going to add a nice flavor over the top, as well as some cilantro to top it all off. And you can use some fresh cilantro, probably tastes even better, but this is what we have. We make with what we have. So this is what we're doing today. Now that we have this all in here, we want to go add our seasonings in. So we're going to start with some salt. Next we're going to add the black pepper in. I'm squeezing the lime over it. We're going to mix all this up right here. And we have everything added in except the cilantro right now. And this just smells beautiful. You can see the fresh tomato in there. You can see the guacamole. Now, as an added bonus, go over the top with cilantro. You can use fresh cilantro, and I would highly recommend fresh cilantro. It adds a great smell as well as a taste. Just a light sprinkle on the top of the cilantro. Pretty light sprinkle. Really just smells so fresh and beautiful. Here. Before you leave, make sure you follow us on Instagram, LiveInColor Media, and on Twitter, it's LiveInColor, ITS LiveInColor. And make sure you like and subscribe on YouTube. Drop a comment, let us know what you thought. If you made the recipe and you thought it was terrible, let us know. It won't hurt me. It might, but we'll get past it. If you have a recipe, make sure you let me know. I love to get the fans involved, love to share your recipes with the world. I would love to chef up a chef collab, if you might say. So let's get it. I'll see y'all next week. Make sure you tune into our story time, our podcast, Live in Color. Yup.